and welcome to our last edition of Connector for 2021. I'm sure that many of you can't believe that the end of yet another year is literally days away. This December edition is once again full of great articles, information and updates. In particular, the write-up of the AIIA's annual general meeting and the results of the general elections for both the National Board and the State and Territory Councils. I'd like to extend my gratitude to all those who have chosen to run this year and to those who have engaged with our councils and PANs. Your contribution, commitment and support is very much appreciated by the entire AIIA head office team. Next year promises to be even more significant again as we face government elections nationally and in some states locally. Now that COVID-related restrictions have been eased around the country, I most sincerely hope that you are able to share the Christmas and festive season with your loved ones. And from all the team at AIIA, my best wishes to you all, and we look forward to working with you and all that 2022 has to offer. Thank you.